Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 16 by 20 canvas and I have my colors right here in front of me, and this one is Crimson Red. It's from the Fine Touch. This one is Phthalo Turquoise. It's also from the Fine Touch. This one is Deep Violet, and that is Liquitex. And this one is Bronze, and it is from Americana Decor Metallics from DecoArt. Also, I do have some white, and that is Artist Loft Acrylic White. All my paints are mixed with Floetrol, Liquitex pouring medium, and water. And I'm going to be adding some alcohol in between layers when I pour in the cup, and that is 91% isopropyl. So as you can see, I've got two cups. I'm going to do a double flip, and I also have some white paint in my squirt bottle in case I need some extra. So I'm going to get started. I'm just going to start with a little bit of white in the bottom. Okay. And then I'm going to put some of the violet in there. Couple squirts of alcohol, and we'll put some bronze next. That's probably going to look really pretty when it mixes with the purple. Okay, now we'll go with the phthalo turquoise. And another squirt of alcohol. And let's see, I think I'll put a little bit of white in between this layer. Just a little. And we'll go with the Crimson Red. This red is one of my favorite reds to use. Such a pretty, vibrant red. And we'll top it off with some more bronze. Okay, actually I'll put one more squirt, and then I'm just going to put a little bit of, I think I'll just put a little bit more white, just a little bit on the top. Okay. Alright, move some of these out of the way a bit. I've got too much stuff over here. Alright, so now I'm just going to flip it so it's more like a dirty flip. Yeah. Okay. Alright, hold it there. It tends to move. Okay. You can already see there's lacing and cells starting. Stay. There. Alright, here we go. Oh, that looks so pretty. Look at all that going on. Alright, I'm going to let it do its thing for a minute. I'm actually probably going to put some white around it to help it flow easier. That's pretty cool in there. I don't know if you can see that, but it looks really cool on the bottom. Oh wow, that's cool. You can see how pretty that looks. Alright, I'm just going to use my heat gun and pop any bubbles. Okay, so I'm going to just pour a little bit of this white around. Okay, now I'm going to start tilting. Don't want to lose that much. Alright, we gotta get this corner covered. I don't want to lose too much of that right there. Okay, I'm going to try to run it back this way a bit. I really like how that looks right there. Sounds like there's a lot of paint still on there, but I do not want to lose that. I'm just going to run it just a little bit right there. We go. I'm going to get my heat gun out one more time. Just throw everything over it. Okay guys, I'm going to give you a close-up so you can see how really cool this turned out. It's so shiny. I don't know if you can really tell. But sorry about the glare. But yeah, it turned out really, really amazing. There's a lot of lacing going on. I like that a lot. Like especially this section right here a lot where the bronze mixed with the other colors. I like that spot of red. I lost quite a bit of the red, but that's alright. There's some over there too, so it evens out because it's on both sides. So there you go. It turned out really, really cool. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel.